morning class, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture I will tell you about the linear and non-linear system. So linear system follows the law of superposition. According to this law, there are two laws are there. Number one, law of additivity and law of homogeneity. What is law of additivity? For example, if there is one system is given to you, yt equal to xt plus 10. So how to check additivity? x1t given to the system, you are getting y1t equal to x1t plus 10, because system is giving xt plus 10, it is adding plus 10 into the input. So similarly y2t equal to x2t plus 10. So what will be the summation y1t plus y2t? It will be x1t plus x2t plus 20. Law of additivity, you are adding the system's output at the output side, then you are checking the resultant output. You will add this summation at input side. If you are getting same response of the system, then you can say system is following the law of additivity. So here I am adding at input side this summation x1t plus x2t. System, what is the system behavior? It is adding plus 10 into the output. So output will be yt equal to x1t plus x2t plus 10. So you can say here you are getting x1t plus x2t plus 20, but here you are getting x1t plus x2t plus 10. So system is non-linear. It is not following the law of additivity. Next law, law of homogeneity. So there is one example, yt equal to x square t. You have to check in homogeneity. You will multiply with a constant at output side of the system and at the input side of the system. So here system output it is giving yt equal to x square t, and you have to multiply with a. So you will get a x square t. Similarly, this is a into xt. Here input is a xt, and system will give you y dash t equal to system. What will do the system? It will square x square into t. So a xt whole square, it will be a square x square t. So this is not equal to this y dash t, not equal to this ayt, because here a x square t and this is a square x square t. So this is also non-linear system. It is not following the law of homogeneity, because the system will be linear when it is following both the law of additivity and law of homogeneity. Next example, yt equal to x sin t. Here you are scaling the time with sin t. So first you have to check law of additivity. x1 t system, y1t will be x1 sin t. Similarly y2t equal to x2 sin t. Then you have to add both the outputs y1t plus y2t. So you will get x2t sin t plus x1 sin t. Now you have to add input. So after adding input you will get here x1t plus x2t. Then pass it to system. Then system will multiply with sin t. So x1t plus x2t into sin t. So you can multiply it inside x1 into sin t plus x2 into sin t. So both are equal. So you can say system is linear. Now you have to check law of homogeneity. So this is system xt. The previous system you have to check this one, yt equal to x sin t. You are checking the condition for homogeneity. So xt sin t, you have to multiply with a. Here you will get output x sin t into a. So here you will get a into x into sin t. Okay, so now multiply the constant at input side. So it will be a xt, and system will give you a x sin t. So now you can check this output and this output, both are same. So you can say system is following the law of homogeneity. System is linear because it is following the law of additivity also. Okay, so system is linear. Next example, y equal to xt square, here also time scaling, so this is also linear system. xt into log t, this is also linear system. I will tell you later what is the reason. Y equal to x log t, this is also time scaling, so this is also linear system. You can check both the law of additivity and law of homogeneity. Important point, system with time scaling, so you can say here time scaling is there, time scaling is there. So system with time scaling are linear system. Important point. Another important point, linearity of system is independent of coefficient used in system relationship. Coefficient पे depend नहीं करेगा, it will depend on the only time. So alternate method से भी आप निकाल सकते हैं to find out the linearity. How to check? If you are getting output 0 for 0 input, then you can say system is linear. ये short trick है linearity के लिए कि output should be 0. There should be no non-linear operator in the output. So non-linear operators are sine, cos, tan, sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, log, exponential modules, module square, cube roots, singum function, sinc function. Next, comparator. This is a non-linear system. This is simple example of a comparator. So here you are getting some output. Here input V saturation minus V set. So अगर ये इससे कंपेयर करेगा, अगर ये ज़्यादा है तो आपको मिलेगा प्लस V सेट, ये कम है तो माइनस V सेट. तो आपका ये क्या है? दिस इज नॉन लीनियर. कंपैरेटर इज नॉन लीनियर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.